To get started with day trading on thinkorswim, first download and install the platform from the official TD Ameritrade website. Once installed, launch the application and log in with your account credentials. The thinkorswim platform is divided into several sections, including the Trade tab, Charts, and Market Watch. The Trade tab is where you will place orders. The Charts section provides technical analysis tools, and the Market Watch section displays real-time market data. To place an order, navigate to the Trade tab and select the asset you want to trade. Choose the order type, such as a market order or limit order, and set the quantity and price. You can also set stop loss and take profit levels to manage risk. thinkorswim also offers advanced technical analysis tools, including charts with various indicators and studies. To access these tools, navigate to the Charts section and select the asset you want to analyze. You can add indicators such as moving averages and relative strength index to help identify trends and patterns. In addition to technical analysis, thinkorswim also provides real-time market data and news feeds. To access this information, navigate to the Market Watch section and select the asset you want to monitor. You can also set up custom watch lists to track your favorite assets. To manage risk, it is essential to set stop loss and take profit levels for each trade. thinkorswim allows you to set these levels when placing an order, and you can also adjust them in real time as market conditions change. Best practices for day trading on thinkorswim include starting with a solid trading plan, managing risk, and staying disciplined. It is also essential to stay up to date with market news and analysis to make informed trading decisions. thinkorswim also offers a paper trading feature, which allows you to practice trading with virtual money. This is a great way to test your trading strategies and get familiar with the platform before risking real money. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use thinkorswim for day trading and improve your chances of success in the markets.